Be sure to give him a like. Crazy bass demo from him. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, what's going on, man? Very nice. So I had to come in mid-demo, yeah. Nice. So what's your name, man? What's in here for YouTube?
Richard. And on YouTube, they call me Richard Bully Breed with Team Hurt Feelings.
Okay.
Out of Williamsburg, Virginia.
Okay. Very nice. Wow. What size amplifier and subs? What all's in here?
All right, I got the two NSV 5 Sundowns, and I got the Surge 10K.
Okay.
I got the 9K on the PRV8s.
Yes, sir.
I got the 1200s on the tweeters and the horns.
Okay. Wow. Is this box mounted to the bottom so it doesn't move at all? Because it looks really good. Nice job. Who built this?
Brian Arbor.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I mean it's doubled all the way around.
It is, okay.
Yep.
What is your impedance, your ohm-rise rider to on the amp?
For the street and ladies creeping
half ohm, and I got my amp wire to a half a ohm, and the box is tuned to 35 hertz.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, motor's pretty good.
Where's your battery bank at back here?
Under that box right there.
Under it.
I got a 90 amp hour.
Okay.
C-Max.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there Ruckus in the back? The floor?
Yes.
Nice door pods too. How you doing? Great. Hey, what's going on, man? Show a video. What year Explorer do you have? 2006, 2007?
2006.
2000, same as me. Okay, nice. Nice. Do you know how big the box is, cubic space wise?
No.
You don't? Okay.
No.
Probably around, what, 7, 8 maybe? Something like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Looks really good. He did a good job.
Yep. Everything's double beside the bottom.
Yes, sir. Be sure to give him a like. Crazy bass demo from him.
didn't expect me to go alone. What you doing? Take your pants off. Not that fast. Do it slow. You gonna kill her on the move. Oh yeah. Let me see. Baby girl, what you like? From the top to the bottom, now that I got you, this. Now I know you didn't expect me to just turn you around, spread it out. My little man when I hide in them cuz I'ma take my hermit out in them cuz ain't gotta worry about your man cuz do it like me, no, okay. Baby, can't do it like that.
All right, demo time.
Expect me to just turn you around, spread it out. From the top to the bottom, down, back out. Baby girl, won't you love it, nigga? I'm trying to take yours. One little man, I'ma take mine. Time with them girls, so baby girl,
Their voltage doesn't really move either. You did a really good job of that.
It does pretty good, yeah. Loaded's pretty good.